In the world of car customization, few projects capture the imagination like this one. What happens when someone takes a Toyota GR Supra, already infamous for its BMW roots, and decides to turn it back into a BMW? For one passionate builder known online as MySupraAdventures, that question wasn't just theoretical. He made it a reality by transforming his A90 Supra into a one-of-a-kind creation that blends Toyota's legendary badge with BMW's unmistakable design DNA. The result? A fascinating automotive paradox that's generating huge buzz ahead of its official debut at SEMA in Las Vegas. The fifth-generation Toyota Supra, known internally as the A90, was born from a collaboration between Toyota and BMW. It shares its platform, engine, and much of its mechanical engineering with the BMW Z4, the German brand's open-top roadster. Yet the Supra took a different direction stylistically, emerging as a sleek coupe aimed at enthusiasts who prefer a hardtop. That difference is what inspired MySupraAdventures to embark on one of the most creative and bizarre automotive builds in recent memory, grafting the front end of a BMW Z4 onto his GR Supra. Working closely with designer Xavier Cuevas, the builder meticulously designed, cut, and fabricated custom panels to merge the two distinct designs. The hood, fenders, headlights, and fascia from the Z4 were adapted to fit the Supra's coupe body, a process far more complex than a simple bolt-on swap. Though the Supra and Z4 share the same platform, their mounting points and underbody structures differ significantly. That meant this transformation required not just imagination, but precision engineering and craftsmanship. The results so far are jaw-dropping. The modified GR Supra now wears a front end that looks unmistakably BMW while retaining its coupe proportions and muscular stance. It's an uncanny mix of two siblings that were never meant to meet in this way. A car that's equal parts Toyota and BMW, yet somehow greater than both. Interestingly, this project also highlights the irony behind Toyota's decision not to produce a convertible version of the new Supra. When the A90 launched, enthusiasts were quick to notice that only BMW Z4 came with a drop top. The division between the two was clear. BMW offered open-air luxury, while Toyota delivered a closed-roof purist sports car. But by merging the two designs, MySupraAdventures has blurred that line entirely, creating what some are calling the BMW coupe that never existed. This isn't just a quirky garage project either. It's a build that's attracting serious attention in the global tuning scene. With its debut scheduled for SEMA 2025, the annual showcase of aftermarket innovation, the BMW GR Supra project is already one of the most anticipated reveals of the year. Enthusiasts and purists alike are eager to see how the final version turns out and whether it truly balances the design language of both brands. In many ways, the build symbolizes the modern car industry's blend of identities. The Supra may wear a Toyota badge, but its heart, a 3-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, is pure BMW. By physically transforming its exterior to match, MySupraAdventures has completed a full-circle journey. It started as a BMW at heart, became a Toyota icon, and now, through passion and creativity, has found its way back to Bavaria in spirit and style. It's the ultimate fusion of Japanese soul and German precision, and proof that in the world of car culture, boundaries exist only to be broken.